going to learn A to Z fruits. Let's start. A. Avocado. B. Banana. C. Cherry. Cherry. D. Can you guess? Yes, dragon fruit. E. Elderberry. F. Figure. G. Guava. H. Hazelnut. I. Indian mango. J. Jackfruit. K. Kiwi. L. A. Lemon. M. Mandarin. N. Nectarine. O. Olive. P. Papaya. Do you like papaya? Q. Quince. R. Raspberry. S. It's strawberry. T. Tamarind. And U. Ugly fruit. V. Victoria palm. W. Watermelon. X. Xigua, another name for watermelon in Chinese. Y. Youngberry. And Z. Zucchini. If you want A to Z vegetables and A to Z animals, then like and subscribe. Bye-bye!